In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your bank account to Moomoo. Whether you've been using Moomoo for a while or you're just getting started, linking your bank account is an essential step to ensure you can easily deposit funds and start trading. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Moomoo app on your device. Once you've got the app open, log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Moomoo, make sure you have your account details handy, as you'll need them to proceed. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options. Tap on the one that says Accounts. This will take you to a section where you can manage your account settings and transactions. Next, look for the option labeled Transfer. By tapping on this, you'll be able to manage all your fund transfers, including deposits and withdrawals. Once you're in the transfer section, you'll need to tap on Deposit. This is where you'll set up your bank account to start transferring funds into your Moomoo account. Now, you'll be prompted to choose your deposit currency. Moomoo supports multiple currencies, so whether you're dealing in US dollars, Singapore dollars, or Hong Kong dollars, you'll be covered. Make sure to select the currency that matches your bank account to avoid any conversion issues later on. After selecting your currency, you'll need to decide whether you're depositing through a local bank or a foreign bank. This choice will depend on the location of your bank account. If your bank is within the same country as your selected currency, choose the local bank option. Otherwise, go with the foreign bank option. This decision ensures that your deposit process will be as smooth as possible. The next step involves entering your bank account details. Make sure you double-check these details for accuracy, as any mistakes could delay your fund transfers. Typically, you'll need to provide your bank account number, bank name, and any other relevant information that the app requests. Once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything carefully. Ensure that your bank account details and selected options are correct. It's always better to spend a few extra seconds reviewing than to encounter issues later on. When you're satisfied that all the information is correct, go ahead and submit it. The app will process your submission and your bank account will be linked to your Moomoo account. Now, you're all set to deposit funds and start making the most of your trading experience on Moomoo. And that's it. Your bank account is now linked to your Moomoo account. With this setup, you can easily deposit funds whenever you're ready to make your next trade. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.